I'm Connor.
And I'm Amaya. Today we'd like to talk to you about children's heart surgery, pediatric cardiothoracic surgery. Pediatric
Means kids.
cardio,
Means heart.
thoracic,
Means thorax, neck to belly compartment in the body that holds the heart.
surgery.
Means a doctor or a robot cuts into you using a scalpel or a laser.
Did you know that 3% of babies in the United States have something major wrong with them at birth?
Doctors call this a birth defect.
A lot of kids, 3 out of every 100 who are born.
That's so sad. What kind of birth defects?
The most common birth defect is CHD.
What is CHD?
It means congenital heart disease.
Congenital what?
Congenital heart disease means the baby has a problem with the structure of the heart.
So a tiny hole in the heart.
Yes, that's one. They can also have a leaky valve.
What about a blood vessel that's not working right?
Yes, all of those. Every 15 minutes a baby is born with CHD.
Wow, that's 40,000 babies are born each year with CHD?
This is a big issue that affects a lot of people and a lot of kids. We want to tell those kids and those parents.
Don't be afraid. Great doctors and nurses that are going to help you.
Come visit our website for more information and some inspiring stories. Pediatric cardiothoracic surgery can sound scary.
But take a breath and come learn some more.